So I think that one main reason, of course, is that the European chemical industry is under significant pressure. I mean, you can read that in the news if you look into that, be it the disadvantage in terms of energy prices, in terms of regulatory setup, in terms of feedstock disadvantages. So that's a fact that there Europe has disadvantages. And it is creating a pressure on how to basically compete against this more challenging environment. So there is a need to look into possibilities to optimize cost and to optimize competitiveness. Well, I think in a nutshell it is turn a challenge into an opportunity. Because I think on the one hand side, we might expect, and rightfully so, that the political environment sets up conditions which probably will be more beneficial in terms of deregulating, in terms of making processes easier, and there is a job to be done on that side. But I think what we see is also that chemical companies understand, you know, we will certainly not just put our hands down and wait until somebody else is solving the problem. We need to do something on our own. That's the name of the game. And there are still opportunities. And even though operational excellence has been around for many, many years and it has been probably changing in nature, so digitalization is coming in and playing a more important role, there is still of mileage still to be gained in classical operational excellence, process improvement, etc. So in the chemical industry specifically, the area of maintenance is still a huge cost block. And using AI to optimize the way that you do maintenance, to reduce the effort that you spend, still an opportunity to get better. Ways to increase efficiency in the execution are there, reduce turnaround cost, etc. In operations, to really set up short interval controls, improve performance management so that you actually push yield levels up, that you reduce specific consumption, that you reduce energy consumption, or in supply chain that you basically manage to close the loop between, let's say, sales, operations, and inventories, make that really collaborate. These are elements which are still offering opportunity for getting a significant step change. Well, I think a very recent example is a company working in a specialty chemical environment. And I remember a site in Sweden, which is certainly not the kind of most cost-effective environment, let's say, or the cheapest. But this company turned from being a bit of a laggard probably in the overall scape to the best company in the network by making sure that you make best use of your people, of your talent, really engaging everybody on the operational excellence journey, and in that case improve EBITDA by 20% for that individual company. Huge step change. And I think this is just a single example. If we take a broader picture, we have seen companies seriously engaging on those topics to reduce maintenance costs by 15%, energy. So there is, I think that's in a nutshell, you might not have always the perfect condition, asset structure, etc., but there is still room to go and a way to go to gain competitiveness.